Is something holding you back in learning how to sing? We're diving into the reasons why people ditch their singing lessons, and more importantly, how to overcome them. The struggle is real. Here are some common reasons people give up. Fear of failure. Let's face it, singing can be scary. The fear of sounding bad or being judged can be paralyzing. Lack of progress. Learning to sing takes time and effort. When progress feels slow, frustration can set in. No time or money. Between work, family, and other commitments, carving out time and money for singing lessons can be tough. Negative feedback. A harsh comment from a friend or family member can seriously deflate your motivation. Unrealistic expectations. Thinking you'll sound like Beyoncé overnight is a recipe for disappointment. Don't let these roadblocks silence your inner rock star. Here's how to fight back. Embrace the journey. Focus on enjoying the process of learning, not just the destination. Celebrate small improvements. Find your tribe. Connect with other singers. Join a choir, or take a group class. Support and encouragement go a long way. Work with a coach. A good vocal coach can personalize your training, provide feedback, and keep you motivated. Focus on the fun. Singing should be an enjoyable experience. Belt out your favorite tunes in the shower, sing karaoke with friends, or join a community musical. Remind yourself why you love to sing. If you're looking for a more structured learning experience, try Singorama. Find out more in the link at the comments or description below.